I mean, CRM can do 1,000 things, right? Here are a few of the things. I'm sure you can find a couple on this list that are important at your firm. The problem is it should probably do like 3, maybe only 1. But anything that you can do to provide value, and they're different for every firm. And they're different for groups within the firm, and they're different for sometimes individual attorneys. Everybody's got a different idea about what is value. Is it minimizing effort? Is it maximizing relationships, facilitating business development? These are all important, but different stakeholders will care about different things. And your communication with them in the assessment, when you identify what their needs and how they define value, all the communications throughout the rollout should hammer home those same messages, so that over and over again they're seeing, we're implementing a CRM to help the firm achieve whatever it may be, but also to help the individuals achieve what they want to achieve.